Hello, everyone. I'm Jordan Peterson, and before anything else, I want to take a moment to say thank you. Your love, encouragement, and unwavering support over the years have meant the world to me. Whether it's through your likes, comments, or simply being a part of this journey, you've been my greatest strength, and for that I'm truly grateful. Today I have something really exciting to share with all of you. My team and I have been working hard behind the scenes, and after a lot of planning and preparation, we've decided to launch a brand new channel. This channel isn't just another platform. It's a space where we'll bring you content that inspires, motivates, and brings positivity into your life. From stories that touch your heart to ideas that fuel your dreams, this channel will be all about you. Now, this journey is just beginning, and I would love for you to be a part of it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and make sure to like this video. By subscribing, you're not just supporting me, you're joining a community of amazing people who believe in the power of positivity and growth. Your love and support have always been the reason I keep moving forward, and I can't wait to see where this new adventure takes us. Together, we'll create something truly special. Once again, thank you so much for everything you've done for me. Stay tuned because incredible things are coming your way very soon.